It seems like a routine headache or sore throat can set our minds spinning over whether or not it could be coronavirus. As Fox's Casey Cronus tells us, many say they can't tell if they're experiencing allergies, flu, or COVID-19 symptoms.
It's been a very common question.
On the cusp of flu season, with fall allergies in full swing.
The leaves are blowing around, there's mold in the leaves.
And no end in sight for the state's uptick in cases of COVID. A sniffle here or a sneeze there might be leaving you on edge.
The common allergy symptoms are the watery eyes, itchy eyes, the sniffles, or the scratchy or itchy throat or mouth.
But is there a way to differentiate common allergies from COVID-19?
It's really tough.
Dr. Robert Kitsis with Ascension Medical Group in Brown Deer says if you get allergies at this time of year, every year.
I think it's pretty safe to think that that's allergies.
Still, he's been testing patients for COVID-19 anyway and says recognizing the difference between COVID and flu is even harder.
The top symptoms of COVID and flu are the same. It's the fatigue, the muscle aches, the fever.
But there is one to note, though not everyone with COVID experiences it.
With the flu, you don't have the loss of taste or the loss of smell.
Dr. Kitsis reminding us that now is the perfect time to get your flu shot.
The flu shot will not prevent COVID virus, but it can ramp up your immune system and help you fight other respiratory viruses.
Well, more than 250,000 people in northern Denmark went into lockdown after a mutated variation of the coronavirus infected minks at a mink farm. That led to an order to kill all 15 million minks at the country's 1,100 mink farms. The Prime Minister says that move was to contain the virus. To date, there is no evidence that any of the mutations pose an increased danger to people. A Danish health official said it's safer to order the cull now rather than wait for all the evidence and act too late.
So you need to act in time, and now when we got this concern, you need to start to stop transmission, and so I think it's you need to react quickly.
Fur farmers say the cull will cost them $785 million and could cause the end of the industry in Denmark. Restaurants are ordered to close, and students 5th grade or above will switch to digital learning on Monday.